Hey everyone, this is a quick tutorial about how to use PayPal for payment for all of our ASSP chapter needs. We have regular meetings the second Tuesday of each month, except for in the summers. We also have technical tours and annual events like our clay shoot and golf tournament, and also some conferences. We do accept payment through PayPal as a service. This does not mean you need a PayPal account to pay with us. You can use a credit card for payment. So here's how to use it as your registration. From the registration page, click to register now, fill out your information of your name and email address, and then click proceed to payment options. From here you can click to invoice or use the PayPal service and proceed to registration. Once you get to the PayPal page, this is where you can fill out your credit card information. If you have a PayPal account, you can use it. However, right below that is where it says to pay with a debit or credit card. Click that button to use your card. This is where you enter all your credit card information and then click Pay Now. Thank you for registering early. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below or visit our website at colorado.assp.org.